part of partial fractions and the last video on this topic. Okay, so we have been told to decompose this into what? A partial fraction. Okay, so for this one, the rules state that a will be over if you have a repetition like this, where like x minus 1 is being repeated. So the rule is you write x minus 1 like that, then plus b, then x minus 1 raised to the power 2, like the power will keep on ascending, plus then there are c, since you have 3 parts we include c, then x minus 1 then raised to the power 3. This is the rule, so this will be equal to that. All right. Okay, so from there now we'll say x raised to the power 2 plus 2 over x minus 1 raised to the power 3 is equal to a over x minus 1 then plus b over x minus 1 raised to the power 2 then plus c then x minus 1 raised to the power 3, like that. Beautiful. Okay, then from there now we can multiply the denominator throughout, so let's do the power 3 there, then this multiplied by that will just remain with x raised to the power 2 then plus 2, which is equal to, if we multiply this by that, we are going to have a then x minus 1 raised to the power 2, okay, raised to the power 2, then plus there, if you multiply this by that, you are going to have x minus 1 then plus that, then plus c. Okay, then from there now we can say that we can let the first method, we can use the first method. Now you guys, you are acquainted with the method, you can use the first method where we say let x be what? Okay, let x be 1. If we say let x be 1, which means if we put x here and there, it will be 0, and automatically we solve for what? For c. Okay, so if x is 1, then there raised to the power 2, then there, then a there, then 1, then minus 1 there, less, then there 1, then 1 plus c. Okay, and there to give you a 3, which is, this will give you a 0, this will give you a 0, then c is what? C is 3. Okay, beautiful. So if c is 3, we know what c is 3, then to solve for b and a, to be very much easy. Okay, so since here we have the same thing, we can't let this to be that, so for b, because we have the same, and if we let a 1 be this, even this will be eliminated. Okay, since we know that c is 3, so we can say x raised to the power 2 then plus 2 there, which is equal to a, then x minus 1 then square there, then plus b x minus 1 then plus, so c we know that is what? It's 3. Okay, then from there now we can say that we expand. From there now we can expand, so this will be x squared plus 2, which is equal to a. So if you expand this, you're going to have x squared then minus 2x minus 1, yeah, because this will be there, this times that, x squared, this times that minus x, this times that minus x there, then plus 1. So it will be x squared minus 2x, then plus 1. So plus y plus a. Then plus b, x there, plus 3 there. Okay. So then x squared plus 2, which is equal to, if you multiply throughout, you are going to have a x squared minus 2x minus 2ax, then plus a, then plus bx minus b plus 3. Okay. Plus what? Plus plus b. Okay. Then from there now we can say things that as x squared like this, we'll pair them. So x squared will be equal to ax squared. Then if you divide, so here initially there's a 1, the coefficient of x is 1. So if you divide this and that there, then a will be what? Give you 1. It will give you 1. Then from there now we say everything that has a variable, in short, it doesn't have a variable like 2 here, will be equated to everything. Okay, so what I mean by this is that we equate 2 will be equal to negative 2ax, then plus a, then plus a, then plus bx, then minus b, then plus 3. So we know that a is what? We know that a it's 1. So 2 there, then negative 2, then there 1x, then plus, then there 1, then plus bx, then b there, then plus 3. Okay. Then from there now we can say 2, which is equal to this there is minus 2x, then minus 2x there, minus 2x there, then plus 1, then plus bx, then minus b, then plus 3. Okay, then here and that, so we are going to have 4, then minus 2x, then plus bx, then minus b, like that. All right, then there it will be, if you take this one that side, then minus 2, it will be minus 2, which is equal to minus 2x, then plus bx, then minus b, like that. Beautiful stuffs. Beautiful stuffs. Okay, beautiful stuffs. But one thing you have to know, that this expression, if we take it back, not to confuse you, it will bring us back to this. So in short, so what I would do is just that I will just get there, then plus 2, which is equal to a, then x minus 1 raised to the power 2, then plus b there, x minus 1, and plus c. So not to confuse you, so since a we have it as 1, then c there we solved it as 3. So what we are going to do is that we just are going to replace, just to make things easier. Although I wanted to finish with that process, but in some way we might get lost. Okay, so we say x raised to the power 2, then plus 2, which is equal to a is 1, then 1 there, x, then there raised to the power 2, then there plus b, then there x minus 1, then plus 3 there. Okay, plus 3 there. Okay, then from there we have 2 x raised to the power 2 plus 2 there, then this will just give us this there plus 1, then there plus b, then x minus 1, then plus 3. Okay, then from there now we can say if we take this to the other side, it will be a minus, which means this and this will cancel, will go. Okay, then 2, it is equal to negative 2x, then plus 1, then plus b, and x minus 1 plus 3 there. All right, then from there now, what we can do is that this plus that give us a 4. Okay, negative 2x, then plus 4 there, and then plus b, x minus 1. Okay, then after that, we take this to the other side, it will be negative 2. If you subtract 4 from 2, it will be negative 2, which is equal to negative 2x, then plus bx, then minus b, like that. All right, then from there now we can say that we take b to the other side, so it will be b minus 2, which is equal to negative 2x, then plus bx. All right, then from there now we say b minus 2 is equal to negative 2, then there okay, negative x, then there 2, negative x, then there 2 plus, sorry, 2 minus, supposed to be minus b, like that. Okay, 2 minus b, like that. Minus b, like that. Okay, 2 like that. Okay, so from here now, what we can do is that since we don't have something which has an x here, we can say the rule of mathematics can add 0 x, like that. Okay, because from here there's no way where you can go, so 0, you can add a 0 there, then we say 0x, which is equal to negative 2x, then plus bx. This becomes equation 1. Then there b, negative b, is equal to negative 2, then b is what? Is 2. Okay, so same applies to this one. If you manipulate this, it's going to give you x, 0x is equal to negative 2x, then plus bx. Then if you divide x throughout, this x will go, this x will go, and that x will go. So we are going to remain with 0 is equal to negative 2, then plus b there. Then if you take this to the other side, then b will be 2. So either this or that, b will be 2. So if you decompose that, if you decompose this, x squared plus 2 over x there, power 3, a there will give you 1, then x minus 1, then plus there, b is 2, then x minus 1 raised to the power 2, plus 3 there, then x minus 1 raised to the power 3. So this is where we have come to an end of the video. So make sure that you just remember, if you have anything raised to the power 3 or 4, just make sure that you write these 3 times, and the power has to be ascending in that word until to the last power, which the power which you have been given. Okay. And you apply the methods. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video. See you next time.